Hey, I'm going to show you how to make a carousel in Photoshop. So first things first, you're going to open Photoshop and then new file. We're going to go with the 1080 by 1080. Quick, easy trick for you so that you don't have to calculate the math. If you hit star and then I want to have 3 sections, you hit star 3 and that's going to multiply that for you. So little hack there. That trick has saved me so much time. So from here, I'm going to go to View, New Guide, Layout. Let's see, Guide, New Guide Layout. And I don't want a gutter. And I want 3. So that's going to divide that up perfectly for me. So you hit OK. And then I'm just going to grab a picture here. I'm just going to create it like this for now, just so you can see real quick how to do it. All right, from here I'm going to get my slice tool. Alright, slice tool. Then we're going to hit slice from guide. Export, save for web legacy. Okay, then you're going to click on each one, just make sure that they're a PNG. And they all are. Okay, so you're going to hit save. Image only, all slices, has a PNG here. And the reason why I'm bringing this up because mine earlier was saving as a GIF, and so I had to go and check each one to make sure that they're all PNGs. And they will number them for you, and there you have it.